Okay, to set up a new complete diagnostics coding tool, first we have to connect the OBD cable to the tool. Put that in there, ensure the screws are in there firmly. We then connect the tool to a power supply. Once connected to the power supply, we'll wait for the tool to power up, just takes a few moments. This is shown by an orange light on the side of the tool. Once the orange light's solid on there, the green light's flashing, looking through an internet connection. We're plugging the Ethernet cable into there now, and the green light will go solid to show that it's connected to the internet. The firmware of the tool may well be updated. We do this on every tool that goes out to make sure it's got the latest firmware for the latest capabilities for the vehicle's diagnostics.